Good morning and welcome back to my channel, My Pastel Love. How you guys doing? Today I'm going to take you through my day, what I eat, where I go, how I get my gel nail done. So please watch the video till the end. This vlog is going to be very holistic, how you can take care of your mental health and what all small things you can do to take care of your skin, hair, overall health. And I'm going to show you guys some amazing health drinks that you can start your morning with. So yeah, please join me in this vlog. Please watch the video till the end and also please subscribe if you haven't already. I really like icing my face in the morning because it just depuffs it. और अगर आपका भी face सूजा हुआ रहता है सुबह and you just want to reduce it, please ice in the morning. It will just wake you up. Next, I just like to use this toner to refresh my face and a basic hydrating hyaluronic acid serum. It's just good for hydration, and that's the simple morning skincare routine I do. So as soon as I wake up, my water therapy starts, and I start off firstly with my soft jeera pani. 1 tablespoon of methi, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of ajwain, whatever you like, okay? Soak it the previous night, and in the morning I just strain it, warm it, and I just have it. This is very good for your digestion. If you have like inflammation problem, bloating, सुबह उठ के आपका पेट खराब लगता है or something you have had in the previous night that is not digested, try this water. This is for everyone. Even if you're trying to lose weight, you want that flat belly, this is the drink, guys. So yeah, cheers. Next, I'm going to have my chia seed water with lemon, and this you can put a little bit of honey, but I just avoid. I don't take any sweetener. So yeah, I just warm it up, plain warm water. Chia seed is soaked the previous night, and I just put like 1 or 2 tablespoons of it. Add some lemon, mix it all up, and drink it first thing in the morning. Now, chia seeds has a lot of benefits, guys. It of course helps in weight loss. It boosts your immunity. It also like keeps your heart health good, and overall it has got tons of superfood benefits. So definitely put your chia seed wherever you can. You can make a chia pudding, you can put it in yogurt and have it with fruits like a smoothie bowl. You can also of course have it with warm water in the morning. I actually put it in some cucumber and chia seed and drink that water throughout the day. Chia seed is amazing, and you just have to think about the long-term benefits and keep sipping on it. Next is of course my vitamin C immunity shot. Now I showed you guys how to make this. If you haven't watched that vlog, please go and watch it, what I eat in a day. उधर मैंने इसका recipe दिया हुआ है. You just take amla, haldi, you take a little bit of whole peppercorns and adrak, and just mix it all up, strain it with a little bit of water, strain it and drink it up. ये ऐसा शॉट्स जैसा लगेगा आपको, थोड़ा ऐसा ही आपको पीना है, but this is pure vitamin C. It doesn't taste very good, but I'm just going to have it like a medicine. तो थोड़ी दिन में ना इसकी आदत हो जाएगी. It's crazy. Now, after drinking each drink, like first you have your jeera water, then you wait for 5-10 minutes, then you have your chia seed pani, then you wait for 5-10 minutes, then you have your haldi drink. Okay, so now this whole situation will take you half an hour to 45 minutes, but trust me, spend some time with yourself, do your water therapy in the morning. You will just feel good, like you're just making your health good from inside. Your skin will start glowing, your gut health will improve, of course weight loss benefits to ho gayi. So do that in the morning. Try these 3 drinks first. Next, I'm not a very heavy breakfast eater because I wake up a little late and then I do my intermittent fasting 16 to 17 hours, and uske baad I don't know, I just don't feel hungry in the morning. If you are somebody who feels very hungry or you have to go out and do some heavy duty work, you do your heavy breakfast. I'll give some amazing breakfast options in my next video if you want. But what I usually have for breakfast is some fruits, and it's just basic fruits: 2-3 mosambi, a little bit of guava, and 2-3 grapes. And this is enough for me. And if you feel like you want to have something heavy, you can do like moong dal chila, besan ka chila. You can have omelette. Eggs are great option. You can omelette, do like a cheese omelette, vegetable omelette. That will keep you fuller. What you just have to avoid is like breads. We have the habit of having bread, toast for breakfast. That will not help you lose weight. उसमें मैदा रहता है. Even brown bread, I will say just avoid bread if you want to lose weight and see great results. I would say just stick to seasonal fruits, or do eggs, or have like chila, or do like a smoothie bowl with protein. I will show how to do a smoothie bowl in my next video whenever I have it. But today it's just me and my fruits, and I'm just going to enjoy it. And soon I'll be having my lunch after 1.5 hours. So I think all this water and all the fruits will keep me full for 1-2 hours. It'll be fine. So my today's lunch is also quite simple. It has got a little bit of rice, dal, आलू की सब्जी, and fried बैंगन. Whatever जो घर में बनता है वही मैं खा लेती हूँ. So the main concept here is to do portion control. So less of rice and more of the sabzi, and of course not to forget my salad and my beetroot raita. So I'm just going to go and get my nails done. This is not extension, it's my nails, but इसके ऊपर gel किया हुआ है. So I'm just going to go to this Korean place that I love. It's absolutely stunning. This place has a vibe, guys. If you are from Calcutta, do check them out. I will leave the address and everything in my description box. So what they do is, first they will remove the already gel that I had. I do this like every month, so it's on top of my real nails. So they will first remove it, and then on top of that they will file it and take care of your cuticles and everything, and उसके ऊपर ये fresh gel apply होता है. सो एक महीने में जो मेरा एक्स्ट्रा नेल एक्सटेंड हो गया, जो ग्रो हो गया, वो उसको पूरा रिमूव करके फिर से रीफिल करना होता है. सो दिस इज़ द प्रोसेस. After applying a fresh gel, they will use the LED light to fix it. And this is on top of my nails. You can, if you have shorter nails, you can go for extension as well. This time I'm going for very basic nude color. Uske upar I will apply a chrome. So this is the chrome that they are applying. It just looks gorgeous. So it's a basic nude with chrome. Or Pinterest में I have lots of selections, so whatever you select, they just make my dream come true. This whole process takes about 3.5 hours. So 2 घंटा हाथ का लगता है for removal and applying the new coat, and legs take about 1.5 hours. So it's a long time that you have to invest, but I don't mind it. I just find it very therapeutic. It's part of my self-care monthly routine. My nails look good, and I don't have to think about it all month, and it's like hassle free, doesn't chip off, my nails don't break. I just find it convenient. So this is how the nails are looking. I'll go home and show you guys the final result. Just felt like doing this basic nail this time. Didn't do anything fancy, but I think it's looking very neat and nice. It's shiny, but yet it's nude, it's subtle. I love it. And for the feet, I went for this light lavender color. I'm into these pastel shades right now, and I think it's looking gorgeous. And yeah, let me know in the comment section how it's looking. Hello my YouTube fam, and it's 7 p.m. and I just got done filming a amazing perfume review video for you guys. I just reviewed the newly launched Plum Body Loving pistachio perfume. Definitely check it out if you were looking forward to buying it. And now it's time for my dinner, and I'm going to try this new ragi roti. I have not had this ever in my life. This is the first time I'm switching from regular wheat to like ragi, bajra, and that sort of millets. Let's see how it works. It's all an experimentation. Right now I'm just experimenting with my food, and let's see what my body takes, what works for me, what helps me lose weight faster. So this is what my dinner looks like tonight. I'm going to have one ragi roti, and I'm going to have soya chunk
curry with it. So it's made out of olive oil. I either use olive oil or mustard oil. Now the ragi roti turned out to be super amazing. I'm just going to take half a teaspoon of ghee and put it on my roti, and also I'm going to put it on the soybean as well. I love ghee and I cannot live without it. So I have like ghee in the morning, ghee in the evening. I just love it. It's a very good source of healthy fat and it's supposed to be like a superfood. So yeah, that is my dinner, and soya chunks are high in protein. Like if you google it up, you will see it is very good for protein, and anyway I love the taste of soya bean. I actually like it even more than paneer, so I just skipped on the paneer today and I have gone for a simple one ragi roti and one bowl of soya bean. That's for my dinner. And around 9 p.m. I'm of course going to have my chamomile tea. I don't get sleep without it, and I just feel more very calming with my chamomile tea. So that's not going anywhere. Try it out. Like if you feel hungry, like because I had my dinner super early, if you feel hungry, try out having some chamomile tea or blue tea or green tea, anything. It will calm your nervous system down. It will also keep you away from feeling hungry, and yeah, it will just make you sleep better, and it'll do amazing things to you guys. Just try it out. Also, don't forget to journal your thoughts before you go to sleep. It will help you put your life together and just make you feel better mentally, and you'll be sorted. Trust me, it's a good practice, so do it. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys in some way. There are more lifestyle videos that I'll be making next, so definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care.